Young Jockey was the blithest lad by Robert Burns. Now, there's a tune in McGibbon's fiddle tune book. There's two versions of the tune. One is Jockey the Blythest, which is the simpler set I'm going to sing, and the other is called Jockey was the blithest lad in all our town. So it was the name of a tune. It may have gone with an old song. In any case, this is largely by Robert Burns, and it's an obscure gem. I think it's extraordinarily beautiful and little known. I'm going to go through the words before I sing it. There's a rhyme structure here that expresses, in form, the content, because in the first stanza you've got this young couple meeting and courting, falling in love. And in the second stanza, they're together, they're a couple. The even lines of the 16 all rhyme aw. There are lots of aw rhymes in Scots. Like all is aw, call is caw, snow is snaw, so on. So lots of options for that, which Burns takes rich advantage of. The first stanza goes A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B. The second stanza goes D, B, D, B, D, B, D, B. They're completely together. So here's the lyrics. Young Jockey was the blithest lad in our tune, or hereawa. Literally here away. An American would say hereabouts. Hereawa. Beautiful expression. Foo is full, but it's used as we say so. So blithely, no. Foo blithe, he whistled at the gaud. This is the prod for driving the oxen. Foo lightly danc'd he in the hall. He roos'd my een say bonnie blue. He praised my eyes so bonnie blue. He roos'd my waist say genty snaw, so dainty small. And I, AY in Scots means always. It does not mean yes. And I, my hair came to my moo, my heart came to my mouth, when ne'er a body heard or saw. Stanza 2. Young Jockey toils upon the plain in wind and weet, wet through frost and snaw. And o'er the lea, the meadow, I look fu fain, I look so eagerly, as Jockey's owsen hameward caw, as Jockey's oxen homeward drive. And I the night comes round again, when in his arms he takes me all. And I he vows he'll be my ain, my own, as long's he has a breath to draw. Young Jockey was the blythest lad, and our tune or hereawa. Fu blythe he whistled at the whistled at the gaud. Okay. Young Jockey was the blithest lad, and our tune or hereawa. Fu blythe he whistled at the gaud, fu lechtly danc'd he in the hall. He roos'd my hain sae bonny blue, he roos'd my waist sae genty snaw, and I my head came to my moo when ne'er a body door saw. Young Jockey toils upon the plain, through wind and weet, through frost and snaw, and northerly I look full fain when Jockie's owsen hameward caw, and aye the necht comes round again when in his arms he takes me o'er, and I vows he'll be mine as long as he has a breath to draw. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist, Songs of Robert Burns. I got about 150 songs up, which is about half of the goal. And there will be a book eventually. Actually, I'm planning now to do a shorter book sooner, of correcting the tune sets and so on, and giving some of the better early drafts, which have never been published in popular editions. You will.